is moving faster than customer trust. And that's the biggest risk facing, one of the biggest risks, I should say, facing financial services today. Hi, I'm Caitlin Hill, Insights Director at RFI Global. Earlier this year, we identified one of the key trends shaping financial services in 2026 as a shift from curiosity to confidence in AI-powered finance. And at that time, we found that while adoption is certainly accelerating, trust remains really the biggest barrier to allowing AI to reach its full potential. And so since then, what we've seen is a clear shift from experimentation to execution. And so in markets like the UK, banks are now starting to roll out AI-enhanced capabilities directly into customer experiences. So what that looks like is AI-powered financial assistance, or even to more embedded day-to-day use cases. And what's really important to call out is that that's not a one-time only event. It's a broader global shift. So here in Australia, we're starting to see the same evolution take shape. Major banks are increasingly deploying more advanced customer-facing capabilities, really through chatbots and digital assistants. And those are really designed to support everyday types of services, answering questions that customers may have and guiding them as they make their own financial decisions. And what's really important is that these tools are becoming even more front-facing as they are embedded within the bank's digital applications and mobile apps. However, customer adoption hasn't quite moved at the same pace. So again, interest in Australia is really strong, particularly for tasks like product research, comparisons, and fraud detection. But what we do see is that adoption is still lagging a bit behind intent. And so still only about 1 in 10 consumers are saying that they're using a specific AI tool in their own product research. And so that really does bring us back to where we were in the initial key findings of our report from earlier this year, that trust remains the defining issue with AI. And so across markets, whether it be Singapore, the UK, or Australia, the lion's share of consumers have concerns about using AI with their bank. And the ones that are going to be the largest are going to be exactly what you would expect. So privacy, data security, accuracy are all really going to be at the top of that list. So while the industry is moving really quickly to deploy AI, success isn't going to come from speed in and of itself. So it's going to come from how safely and transparently AI is rolled out by banks. And so that means giving customers very clear visibility on how AI works, confidence in the product, and also access to human services or assisted channels to pair alongside those AI-driven experiences is going to be really critical. So as we look ahead to the back half of 2026 and even into 2027, the direction is really clear that AI is going to be becoming increasingly embedded a part of our banking and financial services environment. But ultimately, it's not going to be just about digital, or it's not going to be just about the technology story. It's also going to be about building trust among the customer base.